Hello everyone. If you want to connect your Roku TV to Xfinity Wi-Fi but you are not sure how to do it, then you can follow this particular tutorial. So first of all, you need to turn on your Roku TV. After that, you need to grab your remote. So using your remote, you just have to first of all go to the settings. So here inside the Roku settings, you just have to look for the option of network. So when you are inside the network, select the option of setup connection. Inside setup connection, simply select the option of wireless. So as soon as you do this, your TV is going to start scanning for the available Wi-Fi networks. So among the list, you just have to look for something that says Xfinity Wi-Fi or Xfinity. So if you are able to find these two options in the list, you just have to select them. If it asks for entering the password, you need to simply enter the password and press the option of OK or connect. So if everything is correct, your Roku TV will connect to a Wi-Fi within just a few seconds. So once completed, you will see that your TV is connected to the internet. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.